Should you renovate your home before listing it? When it comes time to sell, many homeowners wonder, can I get more money for my home if I renovate it first? If you're wondering the same thing today, today's episode is for you. Hi, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm so excited to answer your questions about renovating before you sell. The answer to your question is complicated. Some renovations get you more bang for your buck, while others won't even raise your value enough for you to even break even. Here's what you need to know. Tip 1, make smart upgrades. Nothing is worse than spending a lot of money on renovations only to realize it won't even raise your home value. Thankfully, there's a fantastic cost versus value guide that will give you region-specific information on projects. You can click the link above to check that out. Tip number 2, look at the competition. One of my biggest tips to help you decide if you should renovate is to look at the competition. Look at the homes that have sold in your area and compare it to other homes. This will give you great ideas about what could improve your home and where you should focus your time and money to get the most out of your renovations. Tip number 3, consider your time and energy. If you're wanting to save money and do it yourself, make sure you don't take on more than you can handle. Focus on small, manageable projects that you have the time, money, energy to finish. Nothing is worse than a half-finished or poorly done upgrade. If you don't have time to handle a major renovation, you may need to consider hiring a professional. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're wondering what's the right move for you, I would love to connect you with a fantastic real estate agent. They know what's paying off in your specific area and can help you weigh the pros and cons of each renovation project. Comment below or shoot me an email at haigteam@houseloan.com to get connected with those awesome agents. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, and we'll see you next time. Bye.